American 333 is at depot for runway 27 left.
American 333 Atlanta Tower, wind 20011, runway 27 left, below.
American 333.
Tower Delta 366, deep one bound 27 left.
So 366 Atlanta Tower, wind 2007, runway 27 left, below.
Clear to land 27 left, Delta 366. Tower, Southwest 5672 over AJ, visual 260.
And Southwest 5670 to Atlanta Tower, runway 265, clear to land, wind 20011.
Clear land 265, Southwest 5672.
Delta 406 inside depot 27 left.
Delta 46, wind 20011, runway 27 left, clear land.
27 left, clear land, Delta 406.
And Delta 87 on XM pass, runway 6 left to takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26 left, Delta 87.
So 1355 on the tower, runway 6 left, line up and wait.
So 1355, line up and wait, runway 26 left.
So 1355, RNAV 2, Snuffy, runway 6 left for takeoff.
Delta 1355, RNAV, Snuffy 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Good afternoon, Air Force 746, depot 100.
Endeavor 4746, Atlanta Tower, wind 19011, runway 27 left, clear land.
27 left, clear land, Air Force 746.
Delta 469, Atlanta Tower, wind 19009, runway 27 left, clear land.
Got 1028 on XM pass, runway 6 left for takeoff.